Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to talk about the best editing software, Davinci Resolve 17, how to download it and install it for free. Davinci Resolve is the world only solution that combines editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production all in one tool. As you can see here, its elegant, modern interface, it's fast to learn and easy enough for new users, yet powerful and professional. DaVinci Resolve lets you work faster and get a higher quality because you don't have to learn multiple apps or switch software for different tasks. Everything can be done in DaVinci Resolve 17. So what's new about DaVinci Resolve 17? That means you can work with camera original quality images through the entire process. It's like having your own post-production studio in a single app. Mind me, DaVinci Resolve Studio can do every task. There is no need for you to switch into different softwares. So far, it's the overall best app, as you can see here. First of all, by learning DaVinci Resolve, you will learn how to use the exact same tool used by Hollywood professionals. All right, okay, let's get into the video and see how we are going to download DaVinci Resolve 17. Okay, when you come here, you have to open this website, blackmagicdesign.com. I will put in the link in the description. After you are done opening, you come here on the front page, you will see DaVinci Resolve 17 Professional Editing Color, Effect and Audio Posts. You click on download now, and it is compatible for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. Mind me, there is a mistake people do. We have two versions of this application. We have DaVinci Resolve 17 Beta, which is the free version, and we have DaVinci Resolve Studio 17 Beta, which is the premium paid version. But most of the time people find it confused and go in for this one. This is a paid version, but here we are here to download the free version of the DaVinci Resolve 17, and it mind me is the same. So which software are you using? Are you on Windows or Mac OS or Linux? Here I'm using Windows 10, so definitely I'll go in for Windows. Then what you have to do now is you have to fill this detail to download it. It will start downloading. We are done downloading. Now we are going to install the application. We have to extract the file. Now we are done installing the application. We are just going to launch it and see how it works. Guys, as you can see, that's it. We have media here, we have cut, we have edit, we have fusion, we have color, we have freight, we have deliver. All these have specific function that it makes. It's very easy and very simple. That's it. You can just start in putting in your videos and start cutting them and editing them. I hope you find this video very useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.